We want to take the Euromillion as the research system. So this is the game history of the Euromillion. The last results of the Euromillion lottery. So let's see the last results of the Euromillion lottery. We have the number 12, 20, 25, 26, 27. So we want to use this one as the base research to get some numbers for today, to get hot numbers, hot pick numbers, and likely numbers for today Euromillion. So we'll be going through the system of the Euromillion to see where any of these numbers were selected from a particular event. So first, let's go to the results number, which is 659. Results number 659 for the Euromillion lottery. So 659, we have the number 20, 25, 26. So the current Euromillion lottery system selected 20, 25, 26 from results number 659, which was on the January 14, the year 2014, Tuesday results. So after which this number 26 repeated to drop with 19, 32, 33, and 42. So let's copy these 5 numbers. All right, 19, 26, 32, 33, 42. So 19, 26, 32, 33, and 42. Let's go to results number 794. Results number 794. Results number 794. We have the same numbers 20, 25, and 26. So after which this time we have the number single 1, 10, 17, 20 repeated. So it is likely that 20 will repeat for today. Sorry, a number will repeat. It can be any of the last number, any of these numbers. It can be any of them. Okay, but the best one is 20 and 26. So 10, single 1, 17, 20, 42. Let's copy those numbers. Single 1, 10, 17, 20, 42. Let's go to results number 845. Results number 845. Let me see. Results number 845. Let me check. Only 2, 20 and 25. 10 and 36 is not in the results. Okay, let's go to results number 944 and check. Results number 900 and okay, let me see. It is here. We have it. 12 is among the winning numbers. 12. We have it. All right. Aniel left it over. So we have 12, 20, 25. It is there. 12, 2025. Selected from the results of October 27, the year 2015, Tuesday results. So we need to write 8, 13, 17, 21, 34. So 8, 13, 17, 21, and 34. All right. Let's go to 944. 944. So 944, we have 12, 20, 27. 12, 20, 27. Current results. Selected from results number 944, which was October 7th, the year 2016, Friday results. So the next result is 945. So let's go to results number 945. So this is 945. Let's copy 5, 12, 20, 24, 37. So over here, two numbers, 12, 20 repeated. Okay, so double repeat, 12, 20. Check. After 12, 20, 27, 12, 20. The same two numbers, 12, 20 repeated. So let's write those numbers. So 12, 5, 12, 20, 24, and 37. So 5, 12, 20, 24, 37. The next is 1,211. Results number 1,211. 1,211. 1,211. February 30th, the year 2019. Tuesday results. So we have the number 12, 20, 26. Current results 12, 20, 26. It was selected from this event or draw number. So number 2, 9, 20, 27, and 43. We need to copy those numbers. 2, 9, 20, 2, 9, 20, 27, and 43. The next is 1,461. Results number 1,461. 1,461. That is September. September 21st, the year 2021. Tuesday results. So the first three numbers 20, 25, 26. 20, 25, 26. Current results, drop it. So we have 2, 12, 20, 20 also repeated again. 12, 20 is also here again. So today it's likely that a number or more numbers will repeat. Take note. So 2, 12, 20, 27, and 41. Let's copy those numbers. 2, 12, 20, 27, 41. Then the next we are taking results number 1,462. This same event. 12, 20, 27. So 12, 20, 27. So therefore, we need to also pick the next event again. 12 still repeated. So today repetition is there. So single 6, single 7, 12, 33, 39. Let's write those numbers. 6, 7, 12, 33, and 39. All right. So this is the entire set of numbers that we have generated based on the last results of the Euromillions lottery. So we need to get our hot numbers. So hot pick. So hot pick. So today hot pick. To get our hot pick, any repeated number within this list will be a hot pick. Okay, so let's go for 1926. 1926, they are just 1 1. The next 32, 33. Sorry, let's take it one after the other. 32. No 32. 33. We have 33. We have 33. So the first hot pick number will be the number 33. All right, 33. The next is the number 42. So we have 42, 42. So we need to add it, 42. The next is single 1, only 1, 10. 10 is also 1, 17. Okay, 17, 17. So we add 17 to the record. The next is the number 20. So 21, 22, 23, 24. So 20 is 4. 20 is 4 times. So 20 becomes a banker for this one. Very hot one. 20, repeating again. Let me see. So from what we have received, that means that 20 is the most likely repeated number. The next is 8. Only 1. 13. We have it once. 21. Only 1. 34. Only 1. Single 5. 1. 12. Let me see. 12. Only 1. No, 12 is 2. 1, 2. So we add 12 to the list. Then we have the number, let me see, 24, only 1. 37, 1, 2. Single 2, single 2. So we add single 2 to the record. Then 9, only 1. Okay, 12. 12 was 3. 12, let me see. 1, 2, and 3. So 12 is another hot number, joining 20. So the next, let me see, 27. 1, 2. 27. Then the next number, 43, only 1. 41, only 1. All right. So this is the hot numbers for today. Okay. Then any number that we did not mark it becomes a likely number, and we will still add it to the hot number. So likely number. So likely numbers for the Euromillions lottery today. So the likely number, let's write 19, 26, 32. 19, 26, 32. Then also single 1, 10. Single 1, 10. Then we have 8, 13, 8, 13. We also have 21, 34. 21, 34. Then we have single 5, 24, 37. Single 5, 24, 37. Then we have 9, 43. Single 9, 43. 9, 43. Then we have the number 41, 6, 7. 41, 6, and 7. Then 39. All right. So we will add the hot numbers to the likely ones in order to get all the likely numbers. So we have 33, 42, 17, 20, 12, single 2, 27. All right. So this will be the like. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So they are 25 list of likely numbers for today Euromillion. So if your numbers for Euromillion lottery system did not fall within this area, please do not involve too much money or invest too much money in it. All right. So the hot numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7. They are 7 hot numbers. So these are the entire numbers that we have, or we have gathered based on the record that we took from the last results of the Euromillions lottery system. And remember, this particular prediction is for today, which is the 9th of December, the year 2022. 9th December. Today's date is 9th December, the year 2022. If you are watching this video late, subscribe to the channel. Go to the channel. The channel name is Million Jackpot. Okay? Subscribe to this channel. Go to the channel and you will find the video. Okay? You'll find the current video, the most current video. You have access to it. Thanks for watching. I wish you good luck in today's Euromillions lottery system. Bye.